How does the Latvian legal system work? Latvia has a three-level legal system. It consists of first instance courts, district and city courts, and the district administrative court, consisting of 5 courthouses. Appellate court, regional courts and the regional administrative court. Cassation instance, the Supreme Court. The legal system of Latvia also includes the Constitutional Court, which judges whether laws and regulations comply with the state constitution. Any legal claim starts with a court of first instance. If the verdict is not satisfactory, it can be appealed in the regional court. Should the verdict of the regional court also be unsatisfactory, it can be appealed to in the Supreme Court. The district courts also incorporate land registry offices. Their main tasks are registering real estate property and the related rights. All information in the land registry is public, reliable, and kept safe. What are the most important institutions in the Latvian legal system? These are the Council of Justice, the Ministry of Justice, and the Court Administration. The Council of Justice participates in the development of the judicial policy and strategy and improves the work organisation of the courts. The majority of the Council members consist of judges. The Ministry of Justice develops laws and other regulations regarding the legal system, supervises organisation of the court tasks, works on establishing judicial systems dialogue with the public, and represents the Republic of Latvia in the Court of the European Union and in the European Judicial Network. Court administration oversees the everyday routine of the courts. It deals with court budgets and finances, information systems, human resources, material and technical support, and international cooperation. What legal proceedings are heard in courts of Latvia? Civil process. It's a legal proceeding between 2 parties where each party uses proof and argument to prove their case, and the judge makes a decision or a verdict. Criminal process. In this case, the state uses a prosecutor to hold a criminal charge against a person who has committed a crime. Criminal cases involve a judge, a prosecutor, and the defendant. In some cases, the law requires a legal representative to be present. Administrative process. This is a process of proceedings between a private person and the state or a municipality. Administrative violation process. A person is being sued for a violation of administrative laws or regulations. The court can decide to proceed with a hearing or procedural action using a video conference. What to do if there is a necessity to initiate a legal proceeding? Practical information about the court system can be found on the Latvian Courts website. Maintained by the court administration, online court services save time and financial resources. Court website users have access to the following information and services: Court Territory Finder, information about the right district court to be approached; electronic applications for submitting online, signed with electronic signatures; calculation of duties related to a particular proceeding; the frequently asked questions section, which also allows submitting a question. As an addition, anonymized court verdicts can be viewed. If a case number or court order number is entered, participants of the proceedings can view its current status and a court calendar, the appointed dates for hearings. Registered users can access information and materials about their cases, receive audio protocols of the hearings, and list verdicts. Authentication can be carried out using electronic signature, EID card, Latvia.lv website. What happens after a trial? After the trial, an individual receives a fair regulation and judicial enforcement of the decision begins. For example, in a civil process, a creditor receives back the debt. In a criminal process, a thief gets convicted, while the victim receives a compensation for losses. In an administrative process, the court rules that the municipality acts illegally when denying a construction permit. After using all court instances in Latvia, a person can decide whether the expected result has been reached or proceed with their case in international institutions.